with Aimco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to demonstrate for you one of our compact gripper tools. This particular tool is going to be handling these heavyweight differentials, lifting them up out of the horizontal dunnage, flipping them vertical, and placing them into a robotic fixture. Now, since it's a tight fit between the fixture and the parts, we've equipped our tooling with an incremental unclamp. This means you can incrementally jog the jaws open until you have just enough clearance between the stem of the part and their fixtures. Now, the parts are also presented in an alternating layout. To accommodate this, we've equipped our tooling with dual controls on both sides so that operators can have easy access to both the parts without having to extend themselves across the opposite side of the dunnage. In order to pick the part, you can align the jaws right under your top lip, encapsulating the stem, the clamp button. As you raise up, see the pressure in these cylinders on the up is regulated to act as a spring and allow the weight of the part to tilt itself down in the vertical position. Once you've cleared the dunnage, you can use the level assist feature. That's going to square up your part for placement. To reset your jaws, simply going to hit your level assist button again. That'll again reverse the flow in your cylinders and they'll return to acting as a spring. Now, as you're first familiarizing yourself with this system, it's important that you properly orient the tool to the part that's being picked. This is simply a matter of just ensuring that the body of the part is not directly under the tool as you pick it, so that as you lift, the part does not swing into your tool, but away from it. The tool also comes with a two-hand release. This is a safety feature that prevents operators from accidentally dropping the part. Where the unclamp buttons are disabled, neither will work unless you hit the common trigger on your vertical controller. For more product videos, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.